How to buy Bitcoin on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome to this channel where I'm going to show you how to purchase Bitcoin on Binance mobile application. For that, open Binance app, and over here on the home page you need to use the search bar in the top, and here you need to search for BTC. Now once you search for BTC, you will be on the all section, but you need to tap on spot because most of you would like to purchase Bitcoin on spot, because here we are not talking about derivatives or the future trading. Now after tapping on spot, select the BTC/USDT pair if you want USDT to be used in order to purchase BTC. Since I have USDT in my account, that's why I have selected BTC/USDT pair, but you can even select the USDC pair with BTC if you have USDC in your account. Now after tapping on the pair that you have selected, you will be able to see its current price as well as its chart. So if you know trading and if you know how to do swing trade, you can put your indicators over here and then you can select the price at which you want to purchase it. But I want to purchase Bitcoin on the current price that is given over here, so tap on the buy option and then you will be landed on this type of buy section. Over here the first option that we have is of limit and the second one is market, so you can select any of the options between these two. Then in the price it will show you the current price, but in the right hand section it will show you the price that is going up and going down, meaning the fluctuation will be shown in the right hand section. And in the price USDT, you can select your own price or you can even purchase it on the current price that is given, but in order to do it you need to select it as the market price. Afterwards you need to enter the amount of BTC that you want to purchase. You can even use the slider with the help of which you can select the percentage of the amount of USDT that you have in your account to use in order to purchase BTC. So as you can see over here that I have selected 50% and it has already taken 50% amount of my wallet. Now tap on the buy BTC option, and once you do this your order will be in the open space, but when the price comes to the price that you have selected, your order will be filled and you will be able to purchase Bitcoin in your account. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it for more these types of tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.